Today I'm gonna show you how to make your Windows 7 or Windows Vista or Windows XP to run a bit faster. First we're going to start Computer, Property, right click Properties, and then we just Advanced System, and then the first one, and here we got it. Let Windows choose the best. Let Windows choose it. And here, this is the one who makes your Windows 7 Vista or XP look cool, or make it fast, or you can choose to activate or deactivate some of them. You can choose, but I will let Windows. So that was all for today. Please rate and subscribe. Bye.